Hello, welcome to V Genetics Productions. So today we'll be discussing about how to get basic information for about a gene. So this video will be beginner friendly, so you can learn like getting gene details from scratch, even if you are any stage student who know how to use web pages, so you can understand the process. So usually when we do any literature survey or else let's say we got to know about some gene, we just know the gene name but we don't know the any information about the gene. Like we can google it, but like for a proper citation and all, you can use these websites I'll be mentioning here. So first website will be NCBI. So NCBI gene you can use. So this is a web page you can see over here. Yeah, open it, and here like when you have to click it and select for the gene as you're knowing about the genes, or else if you want to know about some protein, you can select the protein over here. So now we want to know about the gene. For example, I'll take a easy gene for you. Let's say DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy gene, dystrophin gene. So we'll go for search. See, you might be working on the gene which is in humans, or else it can be in the rats, or else it can be in the dog, anywhere, any organism. It can be anything. Dystrophin also present in the other higher organisms also. So when you search, you can scroll down. So here you got the so many gene like DMD in other organisms like Homo sapiens, mouse, and the zebrafish, the dog, chimpanzees. Let's say you want to know about more on DMD, dystrophin gene in humans. So you have to select this. If you are doing any literature survey in the paper, they will be mentioning the gene ID also, as you can see here. So you can search directly with the gene ID, so it will be narrowed down. So whenever you are selecting, keep seeing which organism you are doing in the like selecting in the description. It's like some people like in when you're doing very fast, you might go to the rat or also the dog gene informations. So be very particular about it. So in this database, like you will get information like where is the location, and the which organism it is belonging to, and also the like basic information like transcripts, gene tables and all. So here you can see the gene location. See, it's in the X chromosome P arms over, and with the exon count of 89 exons over here. And also you can see over the transcripts and genomic region data over here. This is like very like let's not talk about these things in this video. It's a very deep and information, and like to say basically it is a transcripts and products and genomic region data. And for your presentations you can put this picture like where exactly this DMD present in that way. And also you can see the other expression data and all, and from which papers, scientific papers they selected, the bibliography and all you can see over here. So this is what the NCBI will give you. Okay, so in the same like if you want to know about the same DMD gene protein product, you can select the protein over here like this, and you can see the protein results also. In this video we're completely discussing about the gene data. So this is what NCBI gives. And for if your gene is you are certainly selecting a human related gene, or else you want to know what the gene causing, or else what's happening around the gene in humans especially. So you have another database called GeneCards. Yeah, GeneCards. So usually in GeneCards, just a minute. Usually in GeneCards, you will get about human genes, like this is this database. Like first you can see this icon, no, you have to select this database. So let's say like you want to know what disorder it's causing, and summary of the gene, and what are the publications around the gene, and the basic informations about the gene, which is in humans. You can use this database, and it also it is like very user friendly information. Like even a beginner who ain't used these databases can easily understand. The understandable terminology only will be there in the interface of this GeneCards. And like when you're selecting about some gene, you have to gather some information with proper citation, right? So you have to use these websites like NCBI or else GeneCards. So here you can see the search bar over in the top. So you can simply search for the gene. Let's say I am searching for the DMD, dystrophin gene. Give it a search and you will see the symbols, the uniprotid, everything here over here. So here the DMD gene over here, it's there, dystrophin. See the description and all, and select. So here in this you will get all the informations over here, like what are the disorders causing domains, drugs, expression, function, localization, genomics, orthologs, what are the publications present, and the proteins, products and all. So these are all the information you will get. Let's see disorders it's causing. So here you can see Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and muscular dystrophy, Becker type, cardiomyopathy, dilated 3B, muscular dystrophy. These are the disorders it's causing. And about drugs also, this database will give you the information about the drugs, and also the expression, and also the function, like this. And let's do one more example. Let's say I'm taking the another example called MTHFR. Let's say, yeah, I will give it a search, enter. So MTHFR description, methylene tetrahydrofolate reductase gene. So I'll select the MTHFR again. So yeah, now I will loaded the information of MTHFR. What are the disorders it's causing? Let's see. And you can also see the expression, function, and its products, and the pathways it's involved also. See, yeah, in the summary you can see the gene summary, what is MTHFR actually, and it's a co-substrate for homocysteine remethylation to methionine. And there is a brief description summary, like where they're mentioning schizophrenia and all. Yeah, and genomics over here. And if you scroll down more, you will see the proteins, like you can get for 3D structure of also. And the other information also you will get. Let's see about the disorders. I don't know what's happening here. Yeah, here you go. You can see the disorders, like there's a homocystinuria, schizophrenia, and neural tube defects, and thrombophilia, like due to thrombin defect, these and all. So, and these are the other disorders. And you can, like here you can you'll get the publication also, so you can refer those, like you can cite in your assignment, or also wherever you are doing your scientific writing. And also you can see the drugs. Let's see the drugs. So here you can see the drugs and all. Cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12, folic acid. These are the drugs used to treat that. And also these are the other information, like pharmacological information, and these are the pathways. And you also can see the function of this gene, like basic information, like when you keep reading about these things, like you will get a basic information and also deep information about the gene. Like it's up to the mark you are reading, or it's up to the mark you are going to the website. So these two NCBI and GeneCards are the free databases. Like you can access it and you can get the gene informations, and you can do your assignments or also any presentations or anything. And when you are citing, you can cite the database, and also you can cite the research papers which are mentioned over here with the IDs. So you can make use of both of these. And in the upcoming videos, we'll talk about how to get the gene sequences and all, and how to get the gene sequences above, and what are the differences between the same gene in different organisms and all, and how to know it and all. We'll discuss about it in the next videos. And this video is completely on gene information. Okay, so there are so many, you can see, like there are so many columns over here. Like even there is a like chromosomal position also, you can see like where exactly it's present. You can use this picture also, like whatever the picture over here it's present, you can use it for your assignment or else any presentations. So you can paste the picture and give a proper citation,